So here we are. I've just bought a new motor for the whaley. We've got a Tohatsu M18E2. That's 18 horse Tohatsu electric start with remotes, which we're going to put onto the whaley. So we're going to do an unboxing in a minute, so you can see what's inside the box. So here we are. We've got the box open. We've got the warranty book and the pre-delivery certification, which isn't filled out yet because I have to get it pre-service done once I've got it assembled and on the boat. So in here we have the remotes. Instructions on those. Oh, very nice. Right, now we'll lift up the polystyrene. We'll see what we have. And there we go. There's our outboard motor and a fuel tank. And a few more things in this bag. Fuel line, toolkit, and this manual. So here it is. Here's the motor. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to fit it right now because it's a little bit too heavy to lift by myself, so I'll have to wait till I can get a mate round to help me lift it in place, and I'll show it to you again once it's on the boat. The other thing I've just discovered, which I'm going to have to look at, is the remotes are on the wrong side. So we were planning to mount them there, so I'm going to have to work out if I can swap that over. So stay tuned and we'll see how we get on.